Happy birthday, dear Jacob. Happy birthday to you. Pagi guys, hari ini hari Senin, hari kelahiran Jacob. Jadi hari ini adalah hari ulang tahunnya. Tapi kita tidak buat perayaan besar di rumah, kita hanya buat perayaan kecil di sekolah bersama teman-temannya. Nah, pagi ini aku jam 10 harus sampai di sekolah. Jadi aku mau nunjukkan kalian apa saja yang aku persiapkan. Ada beberapa kue, silakan ditunjukin. Ini dia sebagai birthday cake-nya. Fire truck cake. This is Mami Maria creation. Very simple but really cute. Ini ada lemon cake, lemon tart. And this is ada chocolate cake. Dan ini adalah cupcake, coklat cupcake. Nah, rencananya aku akan memberikan kotak kue karena aku tidak mengundang ibu-ibu anak-anak atau mami-mami anak-anak itu. Jadi aku akan buat di kotak ini coklat cake dengan tart cake. Juga nanti aku akan beri anak-anak itu sebentar. Ada seperti mainan-mainan, nanti aku masukkan di dalam kotak seperti ini. Terus nanti ikut kuenya. Terus nanti kita kasih jus untuk mereka juga. Nah, itu saja yang bisa aku sampaikan. Nanti di sekolah kita lihat juga bagaimana perayaannya. Sekarang aku mau masuki dulu ke kota, oke? Terima kasih. Happy birthday for my son ya. Say that, say that, say that.
Happy birthday, Jake.
Okay, thank you. Nah.
Yeah.
Hey, Jake, you ready?
Go stand by mom.
Go stand over there.
Go stand by mom and we'll sing. Ready?
Okay. Okay.
Ready, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I can sing. Happy birthday, dear Jacob. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Echo.
Say thank you. Thank you. Wow, you guys.
Ronan. Okay, we have to save this one for Ronan.
Okay, sounds
He's
good.
not here.
Next sit.
Caroline.
I'm gonna put him in the backpack.
Caroline? Caroline, where is Caroline?
Here.
Hi!
Jacob,
You want to give it to Teacher Candace?
Here, I'll put it in her backpack, okay? She's in the potty.
Al Penny.
Wow. Oh.
Hi.
When that fire truck comes near, people put their hands right over their ears. They do that because the noise is so loud from the siren on my fire truck. Fire truck, I wanna ride on a fire truck. Hey, fire truck, I wanna ride on a fire truck.
Happy birthday, Jacob.
The excited part adalah membuka hadiah. Wrapping gift. That's right.
Unwrapping.
Unwrapping gift. Ini dia, kita akan membuka hadiah ulang tahun Jacob. Yuk. Ini dari tulangnya, pamannya. Wow. Wait, Daddy will take scissors.
What's that? It is a pickup truck.
Yeah.
I want to do a pickup truck. On a
Hold on a
pickup
sec.
truck.
Hold on a sec.
Oh, like that.
A pickup truck?
Wow.
Yeah.
And then you tow this.
Yes.
Okay.
Uh-oh, he float.
No, the animal.
It's a deer. It's not a deer. It's a baby deer.
Is there more stuff on that?
One more little stupid thing.
What is
Okay.
it?
Rifle,
Oh,
It goes to this.
shotgun, I think.
And it goes there.
Hey, a gun.
Yeah. It's a gun.
Not sure what this is.
Gun?
It sure is.
Does it go with the? Maybe that goes as a mount or something
Oh,
for the.
it goes side.
Let me see it. Oh, go with it.
Oh yeah, good job, Jacob.
And clothes. And a kids wear. And there's a gun. Okay. Then the goal works. Let's try again. It goes here.
Hey Jake, Mom and Dad have a present for you.
Yeah. Yeah! It's that! It's a big box.
yeah, I know.
It's a box.
Oh, look at this, Jake.
Yeah. Yeah. And that's the person to go fit.
Where it come from, Jacob?
From that big box. And we got the pop show tower.
You stay there with Daddy.
Okay. The pop tower. Look in their face.
I'm gonna put this money up here.
Oh, okay, Mommy. Thank you so much.
You made it go already?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ini dia
Look at this.
towernya.
Hey Jake, look.
Ah.
But be careful with it.
Yes. Yes.
It's
Yeah.
like a rocket
There'll
ship.
be more parts.
Bangun tower.
And the scissors are up here on the table.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
All right. If you want to help me, dear, that's totally cool. But we got to work methodically.
Uh-oh.
Gotta be according to instructions.
Okay.
Okay.
Akhirnya the tower sudah jadi. Ini dia Papa Truth Tower. Who is that, Jacob?
Chase.
Chase.
Uh-oh. I fell in from the elevator. I fell down. Ladder.
Ini banyak mainan anak laki-laki. Siapa yang mau silakan datang ke rumah Jacob ambil sendiri. Pilih, 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 pilih. Ayo, ayo, ayo. Oke teman-teman, demikianlah acara ulang tahun Jacob yang penuh dengan drama. Karena tadi kita agak kebingungan bagaimana merakit tower. Happy birthday Jacob. Have so many years ke depan, masih banyak tahun-tahun yang akan kita rayakan bersama-sama. Semoga Jacob tetap sehat, segala pertumbuhan semuanya normal, tidak ada kekurangan apapun, bahagia, apa namanya, jangan bandel, mendengarkan kata-kata orang tua, hormat pada orang tua, penuh dengan kerendahan hati, tidak sombong, suka berbagi, memiliki cinta kasih, dan yang paling utama, semoga Jacob semakin bertumbuh, semakin taat di dalam Tuhan. Ya nak? Happy birthday! I love you from Mommy and Daddy.
You did it.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Jacob Robert Spady. Tell, what do you have?
I have some stick.
You wanna say something to?
Oh, God, Mama, go on camera.
Really? We cannot go from camera.